Hello, Professor Cawthorn. This is my second video for week two's work. As you'll read in my wiki, or by the time you see this, probably already have read in my wiki, I ran into a situation where I took the geometry portion of the programming for rectangular prism, cube, writing that code. I took it a little too literally, not so much as using Python as more of a calculator to basically set up these formulas for these shapes. So I was actually trying to essentially create the shapes, but as I ran into nearly immediately, found out that that's a bit more advanced than I was ready for a starting class. So I did a lot of research into it, I suppose, more than what I did for actually writing code, which I found that it was something I absolutely was not going to be able to accomplish. But from what you can see here, this is the code that I did do. I did the second portion of the lab, where it was the little exercises that you're supposed to run, the small programs. And as you can see, and as you will see when you go through my code on your own, I ran into a lot of syntax errors that I was very confused by, and I wasn't sure exactly what I was doing wrong because I was typing everything from the programs in here correctly, so my troubleshooting game was not exactly very on point for this week. But as you know, this is week 5 that we're in now, and I've kind of noticed some of my little errors throughout here, but I never actually went back and ended up fixing them. But as you can see, pretty much an error for almost every program I tried to run, which was unfortunate, but hopefully in the future it will not go particularly that way. But I believe that is all I have to show you for week 2. Thank you.